Driving around in a clean, shiny car is simple using 3M Auto Essentials products. Read the directions that come with the 3M products and follow the safety precautions carefully. Hand washing is the best way to remove road grime and get your exterior completely clean. Start with the wheels, since they're probably the dirtiest part of your car. Spray 3M Auto Essentials All-Purpose Scrub on the wheels and let it sit for about a minute. Scrub the wheels with soapy water and a wheel brush, and then rinse them off with clean water. Rinse the entire car to remove loose dirt. Spray the Auto Essentials All-Purpose Scrub on any areas that are seriously grungy, like bugs on your grill. Now, wash the car using 2 buckets. 1 bucket of soapy water with a soap formulated for cars, and 1 bucket of clean water for rinsing. This keeps your cloth clean and keeps you from scratching the paint. Wash and rinse in sections. You don't want to let soap dry on the vehicle. To dry the vehicle, use a water blade to remove most of the water and finish with a clean microfiber cloth. Use 3M Auto Essentials wax as you are drying for a quick shine. Don't forget to clean the inside and out with 3M Auto Essentials glass and paper towels. Give your tires a shine with 3M Auto Essentials tire. Make sure the tires are clean and dry. Spray it evenly on the tire surface and wipe them down. Use these tips and techniques to take care of your car's appearance. You and your car will look great driving down the road.